What should you do if you have a big case? Well, whether or not you have a big case, there's really two different factors that will determine that. Although at Chub Law, we believe if you're involved in some sort of incident that wasn't your fault and you're hurt, that's a big case for anybody. When the insurance company looks at cases and they determine what's a big case, there's really two things that they're looking at. One is the extent or severity of the injuries, and then two is how much insurance coverage is available. And so if there are severe injuries and there's a lot of insurance coverage available, then that's going to result in a big case. Insurance companies, believe it or not, they like to take our money, but they don't like to pay it out. And so big cases, big numbers, they're always hard-fought battles, right? And so the insurance company puts their best and most experienced people on the big cases. They're going to put most likely a lawyer on the other side of that case that is going to fight. It may seem backwards to you if you think, well, I have severe injuries, why is the insurance company fighting so hard? But that's just what they do. So when you're selecting an attorney for your big case, a few things are important to keep in mind. One is, does the attorney specialize in your type of case, right? So at Chub Law, we only do personal injury. That's all we do. That is our specialty. And number two is you need to make sure that you understand which attorney will be handling and involved in the day-to-day on your case, right? You could go to one of the big firms. A lot of people think, well, I have a big case, so I should go with a big firm. That's not always the wisest decision. You want to make sure you understand exactly what attorney is going to be handling the day-to-day of the case, on the case. You wouldn't want to have an attorney handling the day-to-day who has 600 other clients and not enough time in the day or week to look at your case and give it the attention that it needs. Of course, you also wouldn't want to end up with an attorney handling the day-to-day on your case that just graduated law school within the last year. We've seen both of those scenarios play out. So when you have a big case, you've really got to make sure that you do your due diligence and pick the best lawyer for that case.